Yo, what's up guys? Just kidding. It's me, Wilo, back with another video. And this video I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to do fast TkK patterns. So I got two for you today. And that's actually all fast TkK patterns I know. So yeah. So the first one I'm gonna learn you guys is sounds very hard, but it's a technique with how to do it fast. So you hear that? It's a technique that makes it go faster. So yeah, and if you master it will sound very fast. So the patterns is BTKK, FTKK, PFTKK, BTKK, FTKK, BTKK, PFTKK, and FTKK. And if you do it fast, so the patterns on how to do it's gonna be in the description. And yeah, so go back on this video, watch over again to learn the sound, and yeah, and let me know if it worked or not. But now let's go to the second one. So this second one goes like, and yeah, this time you're gonna use P-E-H, I think you say it. Peh. I don't know how to say it, but yeah. And I have it written down on the paper, so I know it's easy for me to read the patterns, what it is, and to learn. So, first one is BTKK. That's the first one on, same. So, PEH is, and I forgot to take in K, like, so PEHK, TKK is, okay, try to learn that. Try to do very slow in the beginning and then try to do faster and faster and faster. So yeah, one day you will master it. I haven't even mastered it yet. But yeah, so, and this is PF, so, okay, PFTKK, and then BTKK again, and PEHTKK again, and then BTKK, and then PFTKK, and then PEHTKK. So now try to, yeah, put it all together. Wait, I did it wrong. Okay, I think I read wrong, but the patterns down in the description as I said. So yeah, that's all for today, I guess. So let me know if it worked down below, and see you in the next video. And let me know if you want to learn another sound I can try to explain and learn. So, peace out.